Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to set tab in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to set tab. Click inside the text box. Then go to the paragraph settings option and we can see here open a window. Then we go to the tab settings and we can see here the default tab stop 0.5. You can set this another tab stops. Now I select 0.8. Then click OK. Then press tab on our keyboard to apply this tab stop. Now we can see we set the tab stop very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.